Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Okay friends, another example on work done I want to do here. Find the work done in moving a particle once around the circle C in the xy plane if the circle has center at the origin and radius equal to 3 and the force field F is equal to 2x minus y plus z into I plus x plus y minus z square j plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z into k. Here another example on work done here, very simple problem. Already the given problem. We know that again work done is equal to f dot dr, integration over c. First let me find r. Equation is xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore dx is equal to dr is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then work done is equal to integration over curve C f dot dr. This is integration over curve C f dot dr. F is this and dr is this. Dot product between these two is given by coefficient of I, that is 2x minus y plus z into dx plus x plus y minus z square into dy plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z into dz. Now what about this curve C? Okay, here curve C is a circle in xy plane. It is a circle with the center at origin. Center at origin and having radius equal to 3 is given by x square plus y square equal to 9, and in xy plane z is equal to 0 in xy plane. Therefore if I substitute this one in the same as it is in terms of x or in terms of y, it is difficult to solve. Therefore parametric equation of the circle is given by parametric equation of circle is x is equal to 3 cos t and y is equal to 3 sin t, and t varies as for one circle. For one circle t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 pi. Okay, and dx will become minus 3 sin t and dy will become 3 cos t. Let me substitute this parametric equation dx and this one as well as all these things in the equation. Therefore work done W is equal to integration from t is equal to 0 to 2 pi 2x 2 into 3 cos t minus y is 3 sin t plus z equal to 0 into dx is minus 3 sin t plus x is 3 cos t plus y is 3 sin t minus z is 0 square into dy is 3 cos t plus 3x 3 into 3 cos t minus 2 into y is 3 sin t plus 4z, z is 0 into bracket dz is equal to 0. Simplifying this, integration from t equal to 0 to 2 pi, it will become 6 cos t, 6 into minus 3 will become minus 18 cos t into sin t, minus plus 3 into 3 9 sin square t, like that, plus here, okay, again I have forgotten to write here dt, here also dt, and dt here, I am taking dt common, okay, 9 t sin square t, this one, then next 3 cos t into 3 cos t will become 9 cos square t, plus 3 into 3 9 sin t into cos t will become sin t into cos t into bracket dt taken common. This is the term is 0. Simplifying this, integration from t equal to 0 to 2 pi minus 18 cos t sin t plus 9 sin t cos t will become minus 9 sin t into cos t, plus sin square t plus cos square t is taken, 9 is taken common, then it will become 1 into dt, and again you can take 9 common here and integrate. 9 into integration from t equal to 0 to 2 pi minus sin t cos t, integration is difficult, therefore I will replace this sin t cos t by sin 2t divided by 2 plus 1 into dt now. Simplifying this, and here it is a minus 9 into integration of minus 1 by 2 as it is, integration of sin 2t will become cos 2t divided by 2 plus integration of t is 1 is t between the limits 0 to 2 pi, therefore upper limit minus lower limit, 9 is multiplied for all the terms, 9 into bracket upper limit minus 1 by 4 into cos of 2t into 2 pi will become 4 pi plus t is equal to 2 pi, upper limit minus lower limit minus 1 by 4 cos 2t, t is 0, cos 0 plus t equal to 0. Simplifying this, 9 into bracket minus 1 by 4 into cos pi 4 pi is nothing but minus 1 raised to 4 plus 2 pi, minus of minus plus 1 by 4 into cos 0 is 1, therefore minus 1 raised to plus 4 is minus plus 1 minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cancels, therefore 2 pi will remain, 2 pi into 9 equal to 18 pi, therefore work done is equal to 18 pi for this particular problem. Problem is in terms of parametric equation. Find the work done by the force F is equal to 2xyi minus 4zj plus 5xk along the curve x equal to t square, y equal to 2t plus 1, z equal to t cube. Here let me take r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk implies dr is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Then work done is equal to integration over a curve C f dot dr, and here C f dot dr, f is already given, then the dot product we know, therefore 2xy into dx minus 4z into dy plus 5x into dz. Here C is x equal to t square y equal to 2t plus 1 and z is equal to t cube, t equal to 1 to 2. Therefore dx equal to 2t dt, dy is equal to 2 dt, differentiation of 2t is 2 and 1 is 0, therefore into dt, and dz is equal to 3t square dt. Substituting this in equation, therefore work done W is equal to integration from t equal to 1 to 2x t square y 2t plus 1 into dx, dx is 2t dt, minus 4z, z is t cube, dy, dy is 2 dt, plus 5x, x is t square, dz is 3t square dt. Simplifying this by taking dt common, this will become 2t into 2t square will become 4t cube, 4t cube into 8, t raised to t square again t raised to 4 plus 2t into 2t square will become 4t cube into 1, 4t cube, dt is lt common, minus 8t cube plus 5 into 3 15 t raised to 4 into dt. Simplifying this, integration from t equal to 1 to 2, 8t raised to 4 plus 15 will become 23t raised to 4, 4t cube minus 8t cube will become minus 8t cube into dt. This is integrable now, that is 23 into t raised to 5 divided by 5 minus 8 into t raised to 4 divided by 4, between the limits t equal to 1 to 2, 2 ones are 2, 2s are, upper limit minus lower limit, 23 divided by 5 into 2 raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 5 minus 2 into bracket t raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4. Simplifying this, 23 divided by 5 into 23 divided by 5 into 2 raised to 5, 32, 32 minus 1, 31 minus 2 into 2 raised to 4 is 16, 16 minus 1 is 15. Simplifying these two, I will going to get LCM is 5, anyhow 638 divided by 5. This is the work done for the particular example. Okay, next videos I am going to explain, use problems on Green's theorem. Okay.